display, it's actually a very nice looking display. So you have your two cameras right up here as always. Now with your cover display, you can go through and you can use it as a normal device. You have your lock screen here for the most part, so you can see you have your date, you have your time, you have some other options here too, like your now brief, you have your camera up here as well. You can swipe up and you can basically get a little access to your lock screen. Now within this page, you'll basically be able to do some quick toggles and some other instructions. So if you have your widgets right over here, so you have your widgets kind of all around it, you also have access to some applications here too. Now, not all your applications are available, but you can go through and you can kind of view and kind of see all the different types of applications you have here. So you can kind of swipe around, you can kind of, again, use these navbar buttons at the bottom to kind of, adjust your screen. And you can also go through and, personalize your main display. So if you want to, you can click on Now Brief or Start Now Brief here, and you can kind of get a more customized version of your lock screen that you have here as well. So that is actually a very, very nice thing. So this cover display actually comes in handy quite a bit, and it has a lot of really cool information, a lot of really cool stuff inside of it as well. Now, another thing too is when you unfold your display. So unfolding it, you can do it a couple ways. You can either just grab it from the side and basically just lift it up, or you can also just kind of maneuver it around a different way as well.